5 power a times 5 power a is equal to 60. Find the value of a. So this times this is same as 5 power a whole square is equal to 60. In the next step, 5 power of a times 2 is same as 2a is equal to 60. Now we apply log in both sides. So it will be log of 5 power 2a is equal to log of 60. Now here this power 2a will move to the base, so it will be 2a log 5 is equal to log 60 can be written as log of 5 times 12. In the next step, we have 2a log 5 is equal to log of 5 times 12 is same as log 5 plus log 12. Now we divided by log 5 in both sides. So divided by log 5 divided by log 5. We see this log 5 will be cancelled. So here 2a will be equal to this part of log 5 plus this part of log 5. So here log 5 of log 5 plus log 12 is same as log of 3 times 4 of log 5. Now we see this log 5 will be cancelled. Here 1. So 2a will be equal to 1 plus log of 3 times 4 is same as log 3 plus log 4, then of log 5. In the next step, 2a is equal to 1 plus log 3 of log 5 plus log 4 is same as 2 log 2 of log 5. Now 2a will be equal to 1 plus log 3 over log 5. So we apply this formula, log a of log b is equal to log a base b. So according to this formula, it will be log 3 base 5 plus 2 times log 2 over log 5. So it will be log 2 base 5. Now we need the value of a. So we divided by 2 in both sides. Divided by 2 divided by 2. This 2 will be cancelled. So we have a is equal to 1 plus log 3 base 5 plus 2 log 2 base 5 over 2. So this is the value of a. So this is our final answer. Now to check, to verify our equation, 5 power a times 5 power a is equal to 60. Now 5 power of a, that means the value of a, which is this, 1 plus log 3 base 5 plus 2 log 2 base 5 over 2 over 2. Then here times 5 power of a, so the value of a, which is this, 1 plus log 3 base 5 plus 2 log 2 base 5 over 2. Is it equal to 60? Now this multiply by this, it will be same, that 5 power of 2 into bracket this common power, 1 plus log 3 base 5 plus 2 log 2 base 5 over 2. Is it equal to 60? Now we see this 2 will be cancelled. Now here we apply exponential rule, so it will be 5 power 1 times 5 power of log 3 base 5 times 5 power of here 2 log 2 base 5 is same as log 2 power 2, that means log 4 base of 5. Is it equal to 60? Now 5 power 1 is same as 5 times 5 to the power log 3 base 5 is same as 3 times 5 to the power log 4 base 5 is same as 4 is equal to 60. Now 5 multiplied by 3, that means 15. So 15 multiplied by 4 is same as 60. So of course 60 is equal to 60. So left side is equal to right side.